What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the video. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today I'm here with the updated 2024 Acura TLX Type S. And the only difference you can really see on this refresh are these nice new black wheels. And they look really nice. And since this is the Type S, you are going to have the red Brembo brake calipers on the brakes. You got your blacked out power folding mirrors with LED turn signals. And we also get that nice quad exhaust that we also see on the Acura MDX Type S. Nice gloss black spoiler right there. And ever since this generation TLX came out, it's just been a good looking car. I especially love the taillights on this thing. I'm glad they didn't change them. There's not really any noticeable difference on the interior. All right, I only got 20 minutes with this car, so let's go for a drive. So I'm currently at an event being hosted by the International Motor Press Association, and we're up here in the Pocono Mountains at Camelback Resort. There's a whole bunch of different car brands here with the cars that they brought with them for all of us to test drive. And if you've been watching my channel, you know I don't get to do a whole lot of test drives, so this event's very good to allow people like me to get behind the wheel of more cars. Now, I recently drove the MDX Type S for an entire week, really enjoyed that car, and right away I can feel some similarities. Of course, it's the same motor, same transmission, same power figures, 355 horsepower, 354 pound-feet of torque. Now I have it in Sport Plus mode. It's gonna hold the RPMs higher. There goes the MDX I just had. Let's do a little acceleration test. You are gonna get that little bit of turbo lag right off the rip. As far as the suspension, when you put the car in Sport Plus mode, the suspension will give you some more road feel. Outside noise is also minimal. All you can hear is the engine. And that engine note is partially amplified through the speakers, but despite that, it's a very good sound. Nice turbo V6. Here in comfort mode, the ride is a lot softer. So of course, this has Acura super handling all-wheel drive, so you're gonna have that side-to-side torque vectoring that really kicks in on these curves. And this transmission's just very trigger happy to switch gears, go up like quick through the gears. You can hear that nice turbo whistle on that hard acceleration. So at the end of the day, this still is a luxury car. It drives like one, it feels like one, but as soon as you put it in that Sport Plus, it just has a whole new personality to it. This is a very fun car. It's not the fastest, but it's fun, it's engaging. I have a really sharp turn coming up right here. Excellent turning radius. Even accelerating uphill. Fantastic. So that's gonna wrap up this quick test drive of the 2024 Acura TLX Type S. In my overall conclusion, very fun car to drive. Enjoyed my time with this. If you enjoyed this video, please share with a friend and subscribe. It'll really help the channel grow. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Let me know down in the comments what other vehicles you want to see on the channel next, and be sure to follow @Optical Automotive on TikTok and Instagram, and check out the page on Facebook.